Oh man, I know I can't handle this. This is what happens when your friends sell $3 million houses. Today we're gonna go to a twilight tour / grand opening for Christian's listing in Oakland. It's a neighborhood called Rockridge, and the price point is around $2 million. I think they're trying to get $3 million. We're gonna get a tour. We'll meet Paul. I think some of my jiu-jitsu guys will be here and a few other agents. Let's get their input on what they think the house will sell for and what they like the most about the home. Rockridge, here we come. Okay, this is the Rockridge area. The price point around here is around $2 million, $3 million, 3 beds, 4 beds. Yes, this is California. These houses, like I said, $2 million, $3 million. I know some people are thinking this is not what I thought the neighborhood would look like, but this is what the neighborhood looks like, $3 million. This is Rockridge, a very affluent area. It's still Oakland, but it's borderline Berkeley as well. And we're coming up on Canning. And they should have hors d'oeuvres, appetizers, and I think he has a mariachi band, but we'll see. Let's go take a look. So this is a twilight tour. This is the house. Ooh, we're gonna go in now. It's always funny to see how people act when they don't know a camera's showing up. Camera's showing up. I hope there's a mariachi band here. Looks nice. Let's find out how long it took for them to finish this project, and maybe even a little bit more. Let's see. How are you, Chris?
What's up, brother? How
you
are
have a beautiful project here. It's beautiful. I'm gonna go take a look.
Oh yeah.
Is there a band here?
Oh, it is outside.
Okay, all right, for sure. Beautiful. Jerry, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Do I know you? Do you live in the area?
I don't know. Well, I'm trying to become a real estate agent, and I hear you're one of the best.
I think I could help you with.
Do you guys know who she is? This is Annie. She's being recorded. Little does she know. Good seeing you, Annie. Look at this spread. Let's go take a look upstairs first. Nice steel banister. Hopefully Paul can walk us through the material. My guy. Hey, Mike, this is the baddest. How you doing, man? Duel? This is Peter, you guys. If you don't know Peter, you should know Peter. He's a baddie. That's what I've been seeing lately on film, and he's teaching us how to be baddies here. Me and Peter probably started 10 years in the game?
Yeah, 17.
Yeah, so we've been in this game for a while.
We're still here.
We're still here.
We're still here.
Okay, for sure. Wow, look at this. This is gorgeous. They spared no expense on this property. Hello, how are you? Oh, wow. Bathroom. Oh, wow. Primary? I don't even think this is the primary. This is just a kid's room. Staging's great. I want to say they're listing this around $2.6 million. And then you have, I want to say the den area is what you would call this. Of course, you have washer and dryer. At this price point, you better have washer and dryer. Okay, here goes the primary. Beautiful. Closet. And the bathroom. And again, they spared no expense on this one. You can at this price point. Everyone needs a toilet. Look at this again. Oh wow, you can actually come out on the deck too. Oh, this is huge. Down here, they laid the sod. You have another place to hang out. This is gorgeous. This is the deck that actually leads inside the room. Man, Christian, Paul, you guys did a hell of a job on this one. Let's go downstairs. Oh wow, look at this. I didn't even see this piece. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Promise me a mariachi band here.
Yeah, I got you a mariachi band.
And
hey, I promise you a mariachi band. I got you one.
Okay.
So see, I told you.
Oh, we do. Wow. Wow. So this is what you guys call a JADU. So it's a separate unit, but it's still within the square footage of the house. So you can probably rent this out in this area This is really nice. Probably, it's a 1-bedroom. At least they're gonna get $2,000 for this, for sure. And they spared no expense. I see they have a little bit that they're finishing up, but they'll knock that out. And then outside. Paul works with Christian. Paul does jiu-jitsu with me. We're in front of their project. Now, Paul, how much did you guys get this for, and how much did you put into it?
So we got the project for 1.2. It was from a trust, and we had to get somebody out before we took ownership. And we did about $225 per square foot for the renovation. That was the total budget.
What is the total square footage?
2486.
How many bedrooms and baths?
3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and then you have an ADU in the back, which is 1-on-1.
Okay, so it's within the 2,400 square feet?
It's within the square footage, and it has its own address as well.
And how much do you think you can rent the JADU for?
So that I would defer, because you're the expert. You tell me what rent goes for in this area. You're in Lower Rockridge, by the way.
I said minimum $2,000 for that. Minimum. But you probably getting 28. It's crazy. We're in Rockridge right now.
2,400 would still be a deal out here. That I know.
What do you guys want to sell this for?
$3 million. At least. Call Jerry. You know, I know.
We got Mr. Eric Devine here. What do you think about this property?
I'm really proud of Paulie and Christian on this one. They knocked it out the park.
Yep.
What's your thoughts?
You know what, Eric? I'm glad you asked that.
Yeah.
I think it's beautiful. They spared no expense on this one. I love the JADU that they added, and I don't think that I would have done anything differently to this project. It's multi-generational. Multiple families can live in here, whether you're tech, coming from San Francisco. You know, you need mom to stay in the back or dad to stay in the back, or you have kids that don't want to stay in the house with you. They can stay in the JADU. So I think they did good. Yep.
Can I get my brother on camera too?
Absolutely.
This man does amazing work.
Oh yeah.
His team is awesome.
Thank you.
So you're not getting just any opinion here. You're getting an opinion of someone who does this for a living. So
professional.
Professional.
What's your thoughts on this?
It's amazing. They kept a lot of the character of the home. It fits into the neighborhood, and the inside finishes are great.
Okay. Would you have done anything different?
I would have loved more space, but you can't always get more space. You work with what you're given.
If you looked at the deck on the back, they tried to capture some of that square footage and some outdoor space off of the deck. But yeah, you are kind of locked to your lot. Your lot limits you in certain ways when you're developing a property. But I feel like they maxed it out the best they could.
So I appreciate the input. Good seeing you guys.
Yes.
On to the next. Let's see Mavis. The dancer, the singer, the extraordinaire, the Piedmont specialist, Mavis Delacroix. I'm here for the good stuff.
All right, so what are we doing? Paloma, margarita?
What are we doing?
A mango margarita.
I'm not drinking too much, but I'm drinking my second drink. So what are we doing, Hector?
We're at this gathering. It's a charity event.
Okay.
We're basically gathering funds so we can send Christian abroad so he can learn jiu-jitsu because his guard is garbage, A. B, his passing is not existing, though.
Okay,
Although
okay.
he's a purple belt.
Yep.
But I think he got the purple belt out of...
Because you're a black belt and you're his brother?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And next time I see him, he better drop down and give me 20.
That part.
Right.
And you guys know Hector. You've seen Hector. He's been in other videos before. We're going to have another drink, and we're going to actually go meet Christian, too, because I want to see what he has to say about the house and also about his felonious purple belt. But on to the margaritas. Christian Hernandez. So, Christian, how long does this project take?
Well, this project took about almost 2 years in the making, so it's basically as close as it's going to get to brand new construction.
How much do you think roughly you guys put into this project?
Roughly, we ended up spending about $680,000, not including holding costs and some other aspects of the project.
What do you want to sell this for? What are you going to come on at, and then what are you hoping to get?
We're going live on the market right around 1,875. Our expectations just kind of based on what everything's selling here around Rockridge, which is about $1,100 to $1,200 a square foot. We're looking between 2.9 and 3.15, but we're gonna let the real estate gods decide where this is gonna go, because this is a very special property.
Yep, that's the only thing you do. I've seen this property come from bones to what it is now, and I think that everybody we've interviewed today, they agree that this is gonna be a $3 million property, and I think it is. I think you guys spared no expense, and it's beautiful.
Oh, we did not spare any expense. There's more rebar here on this property than there's in the Bay Bridge.
Wow.
We got windows, sewer lines, plumbing. Every single detail of this property has been completely upgraded.
We were talking to Hector about belts and purple belts and things like that. Do you think that you were given your purple belt?
What? I'm sorry, what?
I'm just saying, he said you may have been given your purple belt?
Well, I do think that I'm the superior purple belt between us two. So I'm just, it's not just the size.
He said superior purple belt between us two.
But it's not just the size, but it's also the ability, because you can't pass my guard.
God,
it just.
Damn.
And you're supposed to like have a higher athletic. Yeah. So I'm a taco eater. So it's just.
Let's hope this sells for $3 million. This beautiful property right here behind us. They're gonna sell for $3 million. Christian, we appreciate your time today,
thank you so
man.
much.
And I wish you the best.
Cheers. So we got a black belt, and we got purple belts. We got brown belts over there. Purple belt, brown belt. Yeah,
I'm the real purple belt. I'm the only real purple belt.
If you're a real purple belt, you should be passing my guard. You can't pass my guard.
Listen.
You can't pass my guard.
White belts
pass my guard.
White belts are not people.
They're not people.
They're just food.
They only exist.
Yes.
They only exist in my mind.
Christian, it's a lovely house. I am super proud of you, man. It's an amazing product, though. I just wish that you would put the same amount of effort that you put in this house on having an amazing garden.
What? Oh man, I know I can't handle this. This is what happens when your friends sell $3 million houses. Right here. And this has been a great Twilight tour / grand opening to their listing. A lot of agents have come through, hors d'oeuvres, they have open bar. It's a lot going on today. Shout out to Christian, shout out to Paul, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, Jerry.